Hello there, my subscribers and my non-subscribers whom I hope one day will become my subscribers. Thank you for joining me in another video. In today's video, you guys, I will be giving you all a peek at my summer garden. Yes, I'm still working on my summer garden. Haven't quite gotten it the way I needed it to be at the time. But I just want to show you guys what the most recent progress on our garden. We haven't planted any vegetables yet. Well, as of today, which I will post that in the next video, we did plant some tomatoes. That's all, but we do have seeds. And my garden I'm kind of starting my garden out a little late this year, but it is what it is, and everything will grow. But I just want to show you guys what all we got going on, what my garden is looking like right now. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will take the time to do so. It takes less than a minute to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will not miss another video. So let's get into this video.